Welcome back to Immigration Insight. Every year, a huge number of people from all over the world choose to get a permanent residency visa and follow their dreams. Prospective migrants must meet a set of conditions created by the government in order to obtain permanent residency in Australia. For a PR application to be accepted, the candidate must understand and meet these requirements. There are a number of different ways for foreigners to apply to the Australian government for permanent residency in Australia. As of late, the process for people applying for a skilled independent visa, subclass 189, or a skilled nominated visa, subclass 190, has become easier.
Key requirements for Australia PR in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the 6 key requirements that applicants need to fulfill in pursuit of Australia PR in 2024, as well as other qualifications that can improve your chances of securing Australia PR. First, skilled occupation list eligibility. Working in a skilled occupation from the list of skilled occupations is one of the primary requirements to show eligibility for permanent residence in Australia. An applicant must select an occupation from the list that best matches their skills, background, and schooling. To be eligible for different skilled migration visas, make sure that the job you want is on the most current list of skilled occupations.
Second, skilled assessment. The assessing authority chosen by the Australian government must provide applicants with a skills evaluation. Through a skills evaluation, an applicant's accomplishments, employment experience, and skill set are compared to the requirements of their desired occupation. The application for a skills assessment must include complete and accurate supporting documents, such as transcripts of education, employment references, and other qualifications.
Third, English language proficiency. The ability to communicate well in English is a prerequisite for candidates hoping to become permanent residents of Australia, as it is necessary for integration into the Australian workforce and society. Applicants usually must demonstrate their language proficiency by earning at least a minimal score on accredited English language exams like the Pearson Test of English or the International English Language Testing System.
Fourth, points test eligibility. Australia decides whether skilled migrants can enter the country using a system called points-based immigration. Applicants are given points based on their age, work experience, education, English language proficiency, and other requirements. You need to get a certain number of points before you can apply for some skilled migration visas, like the Skilled Independent Visa, subclass 189, or the Skilled Nominated Visa, subclass 190. It is more likely that you will be granted permanent residency in Australia if you have more points.
Fifth, education. The education point system aims to encourage higher academic achievement, aligning with the Australian government's goal of attracting highly educated immigrants. Candidates should confirm that the appropriate Australian assessing agencies acknowledge their qualifications early in the application process. It is recommended to have your qualifications assessed to ensure they are appropriate for your selected skilled vocation and equivalent to those in Australia.
Sixth, health and character checks. Applicants for permanent residency in Australia must go through evaluation and character tests to make sure they meet the requirements set by the Australian government. To make sure applicants don't put the health of the Australian people at risk or put too much strain on the country's healthcare system, health assessments require medical examinations. To show that a person has good character and ethics, character evaluations need police clearance certificates from countries where they have lived for a certain amount of time.
Other qualifications for Australia PR. Additional requirements that can help increase your points include regional study. Completing your education in one of Australia's designated regional areas can add 5 points to your application. Community language accreditation. Holding credentials recognized by the National Accreditation Authority for translators and interpreters and being accredited in a community language can also add 5 points. State or territory sponsorship. Securing sponsorship for a skilled nominated visa, subclass 190, from an Australian state or territory can add 5 points.
That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching Immigration Insight.